Hey everybody, Driven Dave here. We're going to do a quick video on how to change these out on the Lexus LS 400. As you can see, my hood will not stay open without my handy little broom handle here. So we're just going to go through a quick how-to. Now, this is not sponsored content, but I did happen to get my lift supports from liftsupportsdepot.com. And turns out the last time I did this, I got them at liftsupportsdepot.com. And it was about 7 years ago. And I think these have been bad for about a year. I just have not been in a hurry to replace them, you know, and I should have. Got a very special, I've got the whole family here today. I've got my son filming, and I've got my daughter watching. So that's what's great about car work, is you get to involve everybody, which is always fun. So these are pretty simple. They have this little kind of tab here, and you just want to, this screwdriver's too big, so I'm going to get a smaller one. Probably this one will work, and you just want to kind of pry in there like that on either side, and that kind of loosens it up. So step one, most importantly, get something to hold the hood up, because man, this is a heavy hood, and trust me, you don't want it falling on you. So I think I'm just going to start down below. Also, this thing could like rip your head off. So I'm just going to kind of pry this open. Whoops. Just a little nervous because I don't want to drop the hood on my head, especially on film. There we go. And should be able to, there we go. Just get that out of the way, which is great. So you can see now it's free. I'm going to do the same thing up here. And it just comes out like so. And there you can see, liftsupportsdepot.com, back from, I think 2015 is when I bought these. Now, there's a step I'm going to skip, and I'm going to borrow the camera from my cameraman right now. I'll give it right back. You're doing a great job. Don't mind all the leaves, but you can see this little ball screw there. I had to install that there and there. That's pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to go through that on this. Here, I'll give it back to you, pal.
I'll be like this.
Yeah, good job. So I'm not going to replace those because this is, yes, it's the exact same. These should be the exact same. And even though it's nice to replace your stuff, I'm not going to bother, because I just want to get this done. So I think I'm going to start at the bottom. And it literally just clicks into place. And here's where you got to be a little careful. And see? And that new one is so strong that it's holding the hood up all by itself, which is pretty nice. I'm going to put my prop rod somewhere, however, because just in case. Like I said, man, this hood is heavy, and it means business when it falls. So we're going to open up our second bag with our screwdriver knife, the best tool, of course.
I see that there's cup holder.
Yeah. There we go. So this should be just like the other side. Pop that up. So here's, again, you want to always be cautious. See, now the prop rod is actually doing something. I'll just use my shoulder to actually hold it up as well. And I'll just do the same thing. That pops in. That pops in. And then, should be good to go. obviously you always want to be careful when you're working on something like this, something heavy that can fall on you. You never just want to trust it, because
Yeah.
can you still see me?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So yeah, again, you always want to be careful, because something like this could fall on you and hurt you. I'm not a mechanic, obviously, so please, do this kind of thing at your own risk and always be careful. I did a job like this on my Sienna, and it was on the tailgate lift supports, and I thought I could just hold it, and the thing came crashing down, and I caused a little bit of body damage and broke my rear windshield. So in order to save a few bucks, I cost myself a bunch of money and could have been seriously hurt. So please be careful out there. Hope this was helpful. And yes, I know my car's dirty. I will wash it. I know it has leaves. So don't hate me. I'm going to take care of all of that. I haven't been driving the car lately. So that's my story. I hope this helped. Please give us a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.